They say Eden was lost, but what if it simply drifted out to sea? This is Seychelles, an archipelago of 115 islands. Where granite boulders rise like sculptures from white sand shores, where ancient palms cradle the world's heaviest seeds, and giant tortoises roam like relics of a forgotten world. There are no ancient temples, no indigenous tribes. Here, forests remember the age of giants. Granite rises from water so blue it feels imagined, and trees thought extinct somehow returned. This is a place where nature speaks in riddles, through stones older than the Himalayas and owls that call only on moonless nights. This is not just a journey to paradise, it's a journey to the edge of memory. Some say this is the Garden of Eden, and once you see what's hidden here, you might believe it too. The plane touches down, but you don't feel like you've arrived. You feel like you've drifted somewhere else entirely. They call it an island nation, but Seychelles is barely land at all. It's a constellation of islands in the Indian Ocean, spread wide across 1.35 million square kilometers of sea, barely tethered to one another or to the modern world. That's an area larger than France, yet less than 500,000 square kilometers is land. In truth, Seychelles is 99% water. The other 1% holds one of Earth's rarest blueprints for life. Only 33 of its islands are inhabited. The rest? Coral fragments, wind-polished granite, echoes of a prehistoric world. But this place isn't just remote, it's ancient. Unlike most island chains formed by volcanic eruptions, the core of Seychelles is made of exposed granite, the only mid-ocean granite islands in the world. These boulders are not born from lava. They are bones of a lost continent. Seychelles was once part of Gondwana, a supercontinent that split and scattered its pieces 75 million years ago. And while the rest of the world shifted, collided, and evolved, these islands drifted alone. There were no humans here, no predators, no footsteps in the sand. Only evolution writing its own story, without interruption. That's why what remains here is so strange and so rare. A palm that births the world's heaviest seed. A tree thought extinct, rediscovered in the shadows. And giant tortoises who may have outlived entire empires. This is not a place shaped by myth. It is shaped by time, by erosion, by silence, by millions of years of wind, salt, and sun. Look closely and you'll see the earth as it once was. Before cities, before noise, before memory. In a world accelerating into the future, Seychelles drifts backward, not into the past, but into something deeper, a stillness, a clarity. But even here in this scattered archipelago, life gathers. And on one island, just 28 kilometers long, the pulse of an entire nation beats beside the sea. This is Mahé,